From simple rope pulleys to towering cranes, this global arc traces how basic hoists sparked city dreams across continents. In ancient Rome and Egypt, primitive winches and levers laid the groundwork for monumental projects that later generations would scale with steam and steel. The Panama Canal era saw massive steam shovels transform rough terrain into navigable passageways, underscoring how machinery accelerates infrastructure leverage. After World War II, Japan's hydraulic excavators and rugged earthmovers powered rapid rebuilding and global exports, shaping industrial benchmarks. Today, sensors and autonomous cranes redefine safety and efficiency, linking smart cities to the machines that built them.